Hello, my friends. Benedette here, Simply Be Art. Thank you for joining me today. I've got so much paints left from my previous pours, but also from my recent pouring workshops that I've been doing. And I wanted to find a really great way to use up these paints because they've been sitting now for 2 to 3 weeks, and I wanted to just use up these paints. So I visited my local garden center and I picked up a few bags of these garden rocks, and I'm going to be doing some pours on these rocks. So if you don't know what to do with your leftover paints, I hope that I can inspire you to paint on these rocks. So visit your local garden center, pick up some of these garden rocks and start pouring. So my paints are a nice thickish consistency, perfect for rings and ribbons. So I've got 6 cups, I'm going to layer them all. This is a real fun way to use up um, paints that is just sitting around. All right, all my cups are layered and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm ready to start pouring onto my rocks, and I am so very excited. So let's start to pour. My rocks are resting on a microwave warming plate or warming stand. This is a microwave warming stand that I picked up at my local yard sale over the weekend, and I'm so excited to use it because it's just perfect to rest these rocks on, and the paint can easily drip down onto the plastic sheet below, and then I'm able to pick up those drips and I can use them to make skins. So I'm very happy to have found these microwave warmer stands. But you can also use a cooling rack, a one that you use in your oven or baking cooling rack, and that will also work perfectly, as long as the stones have something to rest on and that it's raised from the surface or from your table surface. All right, I've also sprayed them with some rubbing alcohol and I've wiped them down, and now they're nice and smooth and clean and dry. So let's pour. I'm going to do this one first, right here. It just looks beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'm going to give it a torch. Wow. Let me move these three out of the way and bring the other tray closer. Let's do these 5. Now this is something to write home about. I am super happy with how these turned out. Tell me what you think. Please leave your comments below. Let me know if you will try this too. I can't wait for these to dry so that I can show you what they look like. I am thrilled to bits. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for being here with me once again. Take care, stay well. Bye for now.